One for sure. Oh, hey. Alright, y'all, we are back on the road here today. It is a bright one, I must say that. It's 28 degrees, but it doesn't feel too bad outside today. We got a good workout in, and of course, I ate the protein bar. Now, what I like about that gym is that it has 4 or 5 racquetball courts, it has a full basketball court, it has a swimming pool, and it has 2 floors. The second floor is everything with cardio, and then the first floor just all weightlifting equipment. It's a pretty cool place. However, there's always ups and downs to everything, and the downs that I can see is that the parking sucks. It's always very crowded. It's not easy to get to. You have to go through a ton of lights and stop signs. There's no smoothie bar. There's a lot of people in there on pretty much everything. I definitely need to buy a new tripod. That thing is rattly. So I'm back on the road today. I'm gonna try out this new place. I'm just gonna go check it out for a little bit. Oh, look at this. Silverado with the new mirrors that I want. Minus the chrome caps. I could go for the black caps on the top of them. It's a nice truck though. Yeah, I was gonna pick up Austin, but Austin decided that, well, he's not able to go today. So I'm probably gonna go check out this place. Not gonna get too crazy because, well, I'm not gonna have an extra person there to help me get out of this place. If I get stuck or something, I don't know what's gonna happen, but I wanna see this place again. It's been a long time. You guys see that decal? Loud and lifted from Kentucky. Oh yeah. We're really getting ourselves into something this time. I have no idea where I'm at, and we are getting deeper and deeper into the middle of nothing. It's that old burnt bridge. Alright guys, so we finally made it here to the water, and it looks like we got a place to drive down. This could be a bad idea. Oh, we're tipping. So my plan was to be able to drive in there, but I don't know. It seems like it's a bit deep. Well guys, gotta give the Silverado some credit. I don't wanna drive too far into the water because you guys remember the story about the Ram wasn't too good. Yeah, and I also noticed that I don't have any phone signal out here either, so I wouldn't be able to get pulled out if I ever got stuck. I mean, it's not too bad here, but the Silverado runs great. I did put her in four-wheel drive whenever I did get into the water there a little bit. She always gets out of all situations. You always got to have a good pair of tires, because I told this story before. It was a long time ago. I went up a snowy mountain and I got stuck. My tires were pretty much bald. They were the stock all-terrains that I had on the truck. It was bad news. I had to floor the truck like 10 times to get it out of there. It was terrible. That's why you always got to have a good set of tires. Tread's pretty low on these as well. Definitely need to upgrade on some new tires. I don't have a shovel. I didn't bring a chain or anything, so that's why I'm not going to get too crazy out here. But I did want to go on a little adventure and have some fun out here. And it's a pretty cool place. I definitely want to try it for fishing out here. I mean, maybe it's a bit deeper out there. That's what I'm hoping for. But yeah, this is definitely the middle of nowhere out here. If you look, it's just pure woods and mountains out there. So pretty cool spot. You got a nice fire pit right here. But yeah, that might have not have been the best idea for the Silverado. I mean, she made it out, but I could have gotten stuck and it could have been a lot worse. But I'm glad that I'm here and I'm okay. Sun is going down. We don't have that much more time left. And yeah, the performance of the Silverado is great. If I had a stock truck, I wouldn't have done this. I definitely needed that extra height there, because it would easily bond out if I was at stock height. I remember when this truck was stock, I'd go down a very, I don't know, it would be a very steep road and it would turn straight very fast, almost like a 90-degree angle. Not really, but it was pretty bad. And I remember I would just bottom out on that road and it would be ridiculous, because I'm thinking, I have a truck. I couldn't imagine a car going down this road. You'd probably destroy the bumper. But we made it out. Now perhaps I'll bring the Ram down here whenever she gets off her stock height. Now I'm for one to like to clean up the truck myself. I like to get out the microfiber towels and clean it off in my driveway. Some people aren't as fortunate to do that, and that's all right. They can always go to the self-washers, but yeah, I don't know if I'm willing to do that in 22-degree weather. I may be able to pull it off like it's not, but it is honestly so cold out here today. It's low 20s, wearing shorts, feels good. So I rarely off-road my truck, at least this time of year, because for one, I don't have a spare tire, and for two, I'm not able to really wash the truck on the outside. I mean, I could go to the power washers, but that's not good for the truck. I still like to take care of my truck. I do like to do these kind of things. It's very fun. And the spare tire thing, well, that's very important. I'm gonna have to work on that. Whenever I get a new set of tires, I'm also gonna get a fifth wheel, so it's gonna be good, and I'm gonna be able to actually utilize this truck more and feel safer for when I'm out in this kind of area. Yep, this could have been detrimental right here. Nice piece of glass. So yeah, I got a long way home. Probably gonna hit 5 o'clock traffic whenever I get back into town. If I ever get back into town, because, well, we're really far out in the middle of nowhere. Well, I guess we better head back into the truck. It is so cold out here. Holy crap.